always, me, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm happy, thanks to God.
We don't care.
Dans la dernière vidéo, nous avons parlé de interview pour job, n'est-ce pas? Right? Eh bien, aujourd'hui, nous allons essayer de découvrir ensemble différents métiers qui gagnaient, qui existaient. Are you ready? Say yes! Yes! Premier métier qui en vlog, premier métier, c'est docteur, médecin. Ok. Tout d'abord, là on m'a demandé qui métier vous fait. What? What the f? D'après nous, qui gens yon moun a demandé nous qui métier nous? Moi, je vais chercher ça sur Google. Parce que c'est what are you doing in your life? I am it, I am Sissy, I am Silla, I am Dudru, I am Kuklu. You know? Si on dit qu'elle est ton job, ou à l'école, ou à l'école, what is your job? What is your job? Moi, non, j'ai fait primaire. Donc, pour faire comme ça, what are you doing in your life? What are you doing in your life? Kelly! Hi, Sophia! How are you? I'm fine. And you? What are you doing in your life? I am good. I am a doctor. Me? I am blah blah. I am blah blah.
Look at this. You're a couple.
Down to it.
Emotional, damn it.
On a essayé de découvrir ensemble les différents métiers. Bon, le peu, parce qu'il va raconter tout. Let's go! What are you doing in your life?
I am a trader.
I am a trader. I am a trader. One day was a trader when you call it a telephone, you have trade. Hey Jack, what are you doing in your life?
I am an electrician.
I am an electrician. I am an electrician. I am an electrician. Hey Bob, what are you doing in your life?
I am a mechanic.
I am a mechanic. That's so easy. Hey Joel, what are you doing in your life?
I am a computer scientist.
I am a computer scientist. I am a computer. I am a computer scientist.
Scientist. I am a computer scientist.
Scientist. I'm a computer scientist. Okay, I got it. Hey, Julie, what are you doing in your life?
I'm a fashion designer.
I am a fashion designer. I am a fashion designer. I am a fashion designer. I am a fashion designer. Hey, Sandy, what are you doing in your life, girl? Girl, oh my God.
I'm an architect.
I am an architect. Architect. Not architect. No, not architect. It's architect. No. I am an architect. Oh my God, Johnny! It's been a long time. What are you doing in your life?
An engineer.
I am an engineer. I am an engineer. I'm engineer. That's all for today, my babies, my Englishers. Tell me in the comments what you want, we say together. Oh my god. Nan espace commentaire là, dis-moi qui ça ou ta remen nous dit ensemble. Par exemple, qui métier ou m'ba mettre là. Moi m'ba changer tout. Nous avons des docteurs, ingénieurs, architectes, électriciens, mécaniciens, professeurs, what's more? I forget, okay? So remember me in the comment. Dis-moi qui métier moi pas dit, please. Parce que faut que nous tous apprendre with fun. Faut que nous tous learn with fun, okay? Don't forget to subscribe.
Really, nigga? God have mercy upon us.
Subscribe. 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 Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next time. Bye.